So 10 or 12 years ago, I did a PROPFIRM challenge, and I paid for a 10 hours course. The company showed me quite a few trading strategies. Uh, that was back in 2011 or 12, the first time when these PROPFIRMs came out. They found my notes. So next few weeks, I will share with you. I will make a few videos about them. So, okay, so here is the first one. You need two indicators. You need a parabolic SAR and you need the MACD. And on a 4 hours time frame, you need the first parabolic SAR point and you need the first MACD bar together. And on the 1 hour chart and the 30 minutes chart, you need the second point and the second bar. So what I will do is I will open a clear chart and we will backtest together. I show you how to set this. I show you the settings and we will backtest together. So I will test three uh, on the 4 hours chart and three on the 1 hour chart. So together six, and we will see how it goes and how it works. So let's open a new clear chart. This one. So you need a parabolic SAR indicators. Parabolic SAR, which is this one. This one. And you need the MACD. So that cancel. Oscillators, MACD. You need the 8, 18, 18, and 14. 14. And it should be applied to the close to this one. So that should be it. So here we go. Okay, so you need the 4 hours chart first, the first point and the first bar. So when you take a look on the downtrend, you're looking for a sell, the point should be above the candle, and the MACD bar should below zero on downtrend. And when you're looking for a buy in the uptrend, the point should be below the candle, and the MACD bar should be above the zero. So now we take a look on the 4 hours chart first. So we need the first point and the first bar together. No, no, no. A required few. The first point and first bar. It's gonna be. Why you? Oh no, it's minus. So no, it's no good. No. First, this one. So you have the first point and the first bar. First point and the first bar below the zero. But that was 15th of March, 12. I think that was a news. Anyway, so your entry should be, you have to wait for the candle closes, and your entry should be the next candle. But I think that was a news. That was a news 12. Yes, 4 hours chart, so 12, between 12, which is 10 UK time, that's 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Quite sure that was a news. And if it's a news, it will give you a late signal. I think that was a news. So let's take a look at another one. Anyway, your entry should be the next candle, so you have to wait for the candle closes, and you got the first point and first bar. And you can't really use it on after news because it will give you a late signal. First point, no, second. So the server is two hours ahead. So let's take a look on this one. If you have the first point and the first bar, this one, no, the next one. First bar, first point. So your entry should be this one here. You have to wait for the candle closes, and this should be your entry. This should be your buy. And where can you put your stop loss? 4 hours chart. Where can you put your stop loss? 100 pip. Let's take a look at 100 pip stop loss. And the market went here. The market didn't go against you. So if you enter here, the market, here is the first higher high is 147 pips. The second higher high is 242 pips. The third higher high is 400 pips. And the fourth higher high is more than 600 pips. So your exit, if you use 100 pips stop loss, if you use 100 pips stop loss, you need 1 to 3, and you have 1 to 3 risk reward ratio, so you need 300 pips. You need 300 pips take profit. So the second higher high shouldn't be enough. You have 2.5 take profit on this one. So this would be your exit. You have on the third higher high. Uh, you have your 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. So that was a good one. Let's find another one. So we will check 3 on the 4 hours chart. No, and we will no check 3 on the 1 hours chart. No, no. First bar. Maybe it's easier if I look for the bars. It seems there are less bars than point. First, no, 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 no. This one. First, this one. First point. First point, first bar. So first point, first bar. Yeah. Yeah, first point, first bar. So your entry would be the next candle, which is this one. Straight away. So let's say you enter here and the market went against you 88 pips. So again, you need 100 pips stop loss. If you take a look, 100 pips stop loss. Yeah, 90 pips. So if you use 100 pips stop loss, you are safe on this one. And the next day, the market just went 800 pips in your direction. So if you use 100 pips stop loss, you can find your one too. 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. So you would exit somewhere here. It's 2 a.m. UK time. Next. No, that's 16th of December. So the trade would be floating for 4 days. But anyway, if you use a 100 pip stop loss, again, you can find 300 pips, take profit. It's not that bad. But in both cases, the market went in your direction, at least 600 pips. So let's find another one first. No, no, no. One more on this one, and we will check three more on the 1 hour chart. First, there's no first, second bar, first one, no, first, this one, the first, no, it's third bar, no, no, this is the first one, this one, of course. Let's take a look. First point, this bar, what's this bar? YU6. So that's can be first bar, first point. So your entry should be this candle here. And if you use again 100 pips, 100 pips. Actually, the market didn't even go against you. So you are saving 100 pips. You need 300. Oh, straight away you have almost 500 pips. You have almost 500 pips. Oh, come on, dude. It's 13th next day. Yeah, 12, 13. You have 500 pips on the next day within 24 hours. It is quite good, actually. Altogether, let's say the second higher high, 700. So maybe you can find the 1 to 6. Maybe you can find 1 to 6 risk reward ratio in all three cases. The market went in your direction. If you use 100 pips stop loss, 600 pips. But it obviously depends on your exit and entry, where you put your break even. But that was a quite good on this one. But you had to go back till October, so it seems you won't find so many on one currency pair. So you need definitely use them on 20 or 30 pairs, and to find one on every week. Anyway, let's take a look on the 1 hour chart, and I just cancel this one and scroll back. Here we go. So 1 hour chart, you need a second point and second buy. That was quite good on the 4 hour chart. Didn't expect that. But three examples, that's not enough. So you have to definitely check it. Or second point, second bar, no. Second point, no, no. Let's say this is second, no, no, no. Second, no. First, second, coming was one missing the one. The value is 1 and it should be minus 7, so that's good. So that's no good there. Second, first buy, first point, second buy, second point. So let's take a look on this one. So second point, second buy. Yeah. Second by second. Your entry would be this candle here. The market went against you 47 pips. Where can you put your stop loss? Again, if you buy here 90, 70 pips behind the trend line, definitely behind this trend line here. So somewhere here, 80 pips. The market went against you 40 pips, but in next day, 180 pips, 200, 280, 300 pips. So to use 80 pip stop loss, you need 240, which would be this one here. This one here, this would be your exit. Couple of days later. So that was a good one too. So let's find another one. Second, second, second point, and the second by this one. Second point and second bar, yeah. Second point is for sure. Second bar, yeah. So your entry is this candle here, and the market didn't go against you. Where can you put your stop loss? Behind this trend line? Oh no, behind that trend line. Behind this trend line here. This trend line here. So you'll need again 80 pips. 80 pips. And the next couple of hours you have 100 pips. 270 pips. So if you use 80 pips stop loss, you need 240 pips take profit to find your 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. Actually, you can do that here. So, but it seems you need 80 pips stop loss on 1 hour chart and 100 pips on 4 hours chart. That was a good one too. One more. Second pips and second one more. And if you wanna test it, you can scroll back and I will show you how to test it. I will show you how to test it. How many samples do you need? No. Second, second, no. No. Second point first bar, no. Mm. Second point first bar, no. No. One second bar, which is this one. I think that was a username. Third point, second bar. No, no, second, no, second, no, no, no. Maybe this one. Second point and second bar. Yeah, that's one. So you need a second point, second bar here. Your entry this will be this candle here. The third one. So again, if you use, so this candle closed here, this one opens here, so you need 80 pips. 80 pips again, if you use 80 pips, the market went against you 27 pips and went in your direction 145 pips. So where can you put your stop loss again? So this is the trend here. So if you use 80 pips, 80, let's say 80 pips again, you have 1, 2, almost 3, almost 2 risk reward ratio. So on this one you can't find 1 to 3. So you definitely have to move your stop loss to break even at some point if you don't want to lose on this trade. Because after the market went in your direction 160 pips, 150 pips, it went against you. So at some point you have to put your stop loss to break even. So let's take a look at other one. Let's find another one more, and this is the last one. Now, after that, I will show you how to test your, how many samples do you need, how to test your strategy. Second point, second bar here. Second point, second, is it second? -2, so yeah. Second point, second bar. So this is your entry, and the market went in your direction 82 pips. 82 pips. So again, if you use 80 pips, you don't need 80 here, but if you use 80 pips, after 80 pips, the market went against you 21 pips, and in your direction 91 pips, and that's it. So you have 91 pips in this case, and after your stop loss was hit, so which means in both cases you have to move your stop loss to break even. So some point. So you have 90 pips here. You have 90 pips here. So I would put my stop loss to break. I would pull my stop loss to break even after my after 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. So after 80 pips. Or just close some of your trade, 1/3 of your trade, and put your stop loss on break even. Anyway, you have 80 pips on this one. The market went against 26 and 30 pips, so you are safe with 80 pips. So anyway, we checked 6 or 7 samples, but I think it definitely works better on the 4 hours chart. But we have to scroll back to find 4 samples till March, and this is April now, so you can find more on 1 hour chart, that's for sure. I think if you use it on all the currency pairs, you can find 2 or 3 every week on 1 hour chart and 1 on 4 hours chart. But you can find 1 to 6 based on these samples, 1 to 6 risk reward ratio on 4 hours chart. So if you want to test it, just scroll back and you need at least you need at least sample size should be 20 or 25 trades, and you need at least 2 sample size. So like just this one. So US 30, I had I always use 20 trades sample size. How many take profit, how many stop loss, how many break even you have. But the reason why you need at least 2 sample size, which means you need 40 or 50 trades, because of to avoid this this mistake what I made. So if you wanna know what happens on my second account, I will post my my video what happened to why I closed my second account to the description, and I will post the end of this video. So I tested a new trading strategy January, February, and March. I had only one sample size, 20 trades, and after that I opened a second account. I started trading without one more sample size. And what happened is I was 90% accurate on the first sample size. So I went straight away, opened a second account. And my second sample size was absolutely a garbage. And next 16 trades just went against me, or it was break even. So that's why you need 2 by 20 or 2 by 25 trades to avoid this mistake. So if you have 40 or 50 trades, that will give you a very clear results. So you have to test them, and don't mix them on the 1 hour chart and 4 hours chart. So if you check it on 4 hours chart, it should be 40 or 50 trades on 4 hours chart, and it will give you results how many take profit, stop loss, and break even you have. Or if you check it on 1 hour chart, it should be only just only on 1 hour chart, 20 or 2 by 20 or 2 by 25 trades. So don't really mix them together. So just decide where you want to trade, 4 hours chart or 1 hour chart, and do your sample size, at least 40 trades. It will give you a very clear edge, I think, to avoid these mistakes what I made here. So I think that's it for today. That's it for now. I think it wasn't that bad. It's quite good actually. It works better on the 4 hours chart, I think. Personally, I prefer that one. So that's it for now, and I will show you the rest of my trading strategies. I think there are 4 or 5 more. So in the next few weeks, I will make a video about them, and we will backtest them together. So if you do your sample size, if you check your trades, just let me know in the comment section what was your result. If you checked 40 or 50 trades and on different currency pairs as well. So I'm curious. I want to know what happened, because these 6 or 7 samples, that's examples, that's definitely not enough. So you need more than that. So if you take your time and test them, just let me know what was your result. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.